everyone, so today I am doing a quick unboxing from a contest that I won on the Laser Chick, which she's on Facebook as well as YouTube. And so this prize was sponsored by GS2 Laser and Supply. So they basically specialize in all different types of wood and acrylics and probably more. So this was a nice anniversary gift, and it came right on time after I came off my cruise. So here I go. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to just cut it open. Let's see what we have in here. I'm just going to rip this off. Just take it off. I don't need it. I'm going to slice this off. Anything that gets in your way, especially in life, get rid of it. Alright. It's packaged really nice. There's one more thing I need to get rid of. Alright, let's see. Let's see. It's like Christmas. Unwrapping a Christmas gift. Sorry to the people who like to keep their wrapping paper, because I'm tearing this up. Looks like I have some panels. Looks like maybe 1/8 inch, I believe, and it's all different colors. Look. And I have purple. That's my favorite color. Favorite color. So here's some panels. Can't wait to see what I'm going to make with this. What ideas I'm going to come up with this. Thank you. Let's see here. I probably shouldn't have cut it like that. And here's some wood textures. All different colors. I'm not good with the names yet because I'm just starting to like play around with wood. And these look like there are maybe 1/4 inch and some 1/8 inch thick. They're all different colors. Oh, I really like this color here. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see all that I have. This is distressing. Let's take all this mess off the table and get to what we want to see. Alright, so all of this, all these colors are so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this red or burgundy. I'm gonna call it red. I love it. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but whatever it is, anything I do is great. Anything I create is great. Alright, so this is what I have. All these colors. And they sent a lot. So that's awesome. I'm really thankful, really grateful for any type of gift that they gave. They didn't have to, but it's amazing that they're so kind to do that. To do a giveaway. But look at that. So I just wanted to show you guys basically what I got, what I won at the contest. And so again, that's GS2 Awards Laser Supplies. So they're on Facebook as well. So make sure you join their Facebook group as well as the Laser Chick. All right, so if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. All right, bye.